Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well, so welcome or welcome back. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And welcome to another quick episode of Chrome Extensions Unleashed. And in this episode, we're gonna talk about an ad blocker. I mean, when you are browsing and ads appear, you feel that it's very annoying and you wish that you can block them, so you can block them indeed. So just search here for Adblock Plus and click on the first website, and I will have a link to this extension in the description down below. And after that, you will have here Add to Chrome. Okay, I have it in my browser, so it's saying remove from Chrome, and you will have Add to Chrome, and you need to add it to Chrome, right? So click Add to Chrome, and then a dialog box is gonna appear here. So confirm that you wanna add to Chrome. It's gonna be added to your browser. Okay, so just delete this here, and the extension gonna appear here. If it doesn't appear, you can find it here, and you will click here the pin thing to pin it. If it's not here, just click here on the extension and click on the pin. So you're gonna pin it here, and when you click, you will find the total number of the ads that you have blocked. And when you are in a website, for example, if I am here, it says I blocked six ads on this page, and 1,700 and I don't know, and some change in total. Okay, so okay, and you can disable blocking ads on this website, which is www.youtube.com, or you can disable blocking ads on this page channel, and I don't know, this page here, which is my channel page. Okay, so that's okay. So now I'm gonna go to a website called Beep Me. It is a citation website and it has a lot of ads. So I'm gonna disable this for this website to see. You see how many ads we have here. We have a lot of ads. We have this ad, this another ad here, and this banner ad here. And because we disabled the Adblock Plus on this website, if we enable this and refresh the page, all these ads gonna disappear, and it's gonna say I blocked. You see how many ads? It's blocking like hundreds of ads. It's blocked 39 ads on this page, which is a big number. And you see there is no ads in this page. All the ads are blocked. But if I disable for this page or for the whole website and refresh, the ads gonna appear again. You see, this is an ad, this is and a lot of ads. Some websites doesn't allow you to block ads. For example, this website here called the B-Bomb. So here I have my ad blocker disabled. If I enable the ad blocker and refresh, I will not be able to browse in this website. So it says support free content. We use ads to keep our content free for you. Please allow ads and let sponsors fund your surfing. Thank you. And when you say continue, it's gonna show you how to disable the ad blocker. And there's a lot of ad blocker extensions here. And here is our extension. And it's saying that you need to click this and that. You see here, black odds on. And it says that you need to click that and refresh the page. So I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have some questions or suggestions, please comment them down below in the comment section, and stay safe.